Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50, and today we have a standing only resistance band workout. My name is Paul and I've been Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50, and today we have a standing only resistance band workout. My name is Paul and I've been taking you through these workouts for over 6 years right now. We are starting off in about 40 seconds. As always, the preview is going to be right here. Today there's going to be a clock right there. We're going for 40 seconds of work and 20 seconds of rest. There are 8 different exercises, so this workout is obviously going to be 8 minutes, and some of it is going to be standing and wandering around and resting. We're starting off with the wood choppers, so we're starting about 15 seconds. Grab your band, step back on one leg and a little bit to the side, and we're just going to pull that band across our bodies, just like this. And we are going for 40 seconds. So today's band is going to be pretty light resistance. I'm using the red band. And we are getting ready in 3, 2, 1, and nice and easy. And just come across your body. You have to choke up on that bend a little bit. Do so you have resistance right from the very beginning of the pull. Remember, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. Nice full rotation. We are working the core today. We are not just doing the abs. We're doing everything all around our waist, basically. 15 seconds left. Keep it up. Nice full rotation. Keep going, 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and relax. You have 20 seconds of purification time. Now we're moving on to squares. Once again, the preview is obviously, you can see it right now. It's up and over my head to my right, it's left on your TV screen. So stand on your band, and we're gonna do squares. We're gonna do the best that we can. 3, 2, 1, up, twist, over. I want you to twist, all in one direction. Up, twist, down, up, twist, twist. Not just arms. The entire body twists over as you hold that bend. Yes, I also understand this is a shoulder isometric. It's okay. Keep it up. Keep moving with me. Square, 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 as square as you can get, just like SpongeBob. Let's go. Over. Keep it up. Keep it up. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and relax. It's a good workout today, just with this tiny little resistance band. If that was too tough for you, you have a light dumbbell or you don't have a resistance band, do it without a resistance band. There's nothing wrong with that. All right, we're doing wood choppers to the other side. So whatever side you started on, switch legs. 3, 2, 1, and chop. And let's go to the side and to the side. Nice short workout today. 8 minutes, so you can tag this on with some other resistance band workout that's also on this channel. I believe there's 42 of them right now, so check it out. Keep going, come on. In the meantime, keep pushing. 20 seconds left. Full twist. I want you to accelerate from those hips. Keep it up. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Last one, and relax. All right, so we're doing squares. We're going back and forth. Wood chopper squares, wood chopper squares, wood chopper squares. Relax those shoulders a little bit with me. Come on, shake them out. We have less than 10 seconds left, so let's get ready. So I am going to my left on these. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Up, over, down. Boom. Over, down. Full twist. Twist your body. Boom. There we go. Beautiful. Keep it up. We're halfway there with this interval. And those front shoulder muscles will get a break in about 10 seconds. Keep going. Three, 2, 1, and relax. All right, they get a break, and now we're moving on to circles. We did squares, we did circles. We're not doing triangles today, so don't worry about it. But circles gonna be a little bit different. Just one set, gonna go back, and then 4. Left, and then right. Same concept, stand on your band. If you don't want to choke up on it, don't choke up on it. We're just doing circles. Ready? Circle. Now you get to relax though. Circle in the other direction, big circles, ready? All the way up and relax. All the way in the other direction and chill out. Yes, this is working the core along with a lot of other upper body muscles. But like I said, core, not abs. And it's tough. And it's okay. 5 seconds. 1 and relax. Alrighty. Now we got halos. We introduced halos in the workout last week. So if you want to check that workout, I'll leave a link to that above my head right now. For this time, the halos, I'm going to step on my band, but I have learned from my last week's lesson, I'm going to step back with my foot. Because otherwise the band gets caught on my shorts. So step back and just give me a halo. This is a great exercise for shoulder mobility and core. So if you're like me and you're seated at your desk all day long, you can do this a couple times a day, just this exercise. And release some of the tension in those shoulders. 15 seconds left. Keep it up. And I know some of these exercises are really tough, especially the front ones with the front lats. So I'll include a link below that includes also a yellow band in the set of bands if you need one of those to do these exercises, because that was not easy. We're doing the other side, by the way. So switch those halos to get those legs back. And let's go. And the reason, like I said, why I started experiment a little bit with putting that leg back is because the band was getting caught on my shorts. This way, I have a little more room and I can keep going. 25 seconds left. We're almost done, guys. We have 2 exercises left, including this one. So about a minute of exercising left. This will be a rotational core workout. Beautiful, keep going. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and I'm gonna slow down and relax. All right, 1 exercise left. I'm going to call this one the Franken twist. So get that bend up on your shoulders, and we're just gonna twist from, I should say, speak Paul, speak, from, once again, left to right. So get that bend up like in the front squat. Arms out, knees bent, and just twist. Twist, little bit of resistance, twist. For this, obviously, if you have a bend, maybe you use the black band. If you want a little more resistance, twist, control the motion. Almost done, guys. 15 seconds left, keep it up. 10 seconds. Keep going. 3, 2, last 1, and 1, and that's it. Guys, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. And once again, my name is Paul. This was a standing only resistance band workout. Hope you guys enjoyed the workout. It's a perfect little finisher, or something if you're just strapped for time and want to do something, or you can add it onto the other resistance band workouts I have on this channel. Don't forget, workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday for 6 years right now. I will see you guys during the next workout.